Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to embed your Facebook page post into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder Squarespace. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and now we're going to click Login. And we're going to have to click this Create Widget button. And if you click this, it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. And now in here, we're going to select our widget type. That widget type is Facebook page post. Here it is. Now, if you haven't connected your account yet, you can click this button located at the top right corner of your screen and click to go to the account details and connect your account. Now, sometimes, depending on the widget, there will be a button here that says connect Facebook. And if you have already done that, this will pop up. Now, this is the list of my page. Now, I can select which page I want to display. Now, I'm going to select the SociableKIT page, which is this page right here, and I'm going to use this Facebook posts that is in here to embed it into our Squarespace. Now we're going to click next. Now this is our Facebook page post. As you can see, everything that is in here, every content is also the same in our page. Now if you've encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will open up the SociableKIT chat support, and we can help you if you have any synchronization problem. Now on the left side of your screen is the tab, which is the customization moderations tab, and I'm going to highlight some of them. First, in the themes tab, in here we have these different kinds of default theme, and each of this theme has its own color combination. So for example, this Maayos theme has its black, white, brown, and gray color combination, and if I click yes, this color combination should be embedded into our SociableKIT feed. And here it is. As you can see, it is now in the Maayos theme. Now moving on, in the post tab, in here we can change the layout, the post count, the column count, the character limit, and the translation of our feed. So for example, I can change in the layout the grid, masonry, or carousel. And in our case, I'm going to put carousel, and I can also change the post height if I want. I'm going to keep it that way. The same in the column count, and I think it's also good. So I'm going to click save changes, and our feed should be in the carousel layout. And as you can see, it is now in the carousel layout. Now moving on into our carousel tab. In here, we can change the arrow opacity. We can also change the arrow color, and we can also autoplay it. So if I click autoplay, every 1 second, this feed should be moving to the left or swiping to the left every 1 second. So I can also change it into 5 if I want, and I'm going to be save changes. So if I save changes, our feed should be in autoplay and should be swiping to the right every 5 seconds. And as you can see, here we are our feed. We can also click on this if we want, and as you can see, it just swiped to the right. So the autoplay work, you just have to put how much delay you want to put it in. Now moving on, the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the perfect theme that fits your website or your business, you can always manually change it in here. So you can change the feed background color, the profile font color, the profile link color, and all of the above. Now moving on, lastly, in the CSS tab. In here, if you have any kinds of design or any kinds of CSS that you want to put or include in your feed, you can put it in here. Now, if you are satisfied with your customization, we can now move on to embedding this into our website by clicking this button. And if we click this, we can first select our website builder that we want to put. So for example, in our case, it's going to be Squarespace, and I can also copy the code, and we're going to Squarespace. Now in here, if you didn't know, you can put your feed in an existing page or in a new page. And in our case, we're going to put it in a new page by adding a blank page and naming it Facebook page post. And we can edit it, and we're going to add a section, and the section is going to be blank. Now this is the most important one, by adding the code and editing the code and pasting the JavaScript code that we copied from SociableKIT. And here it is. Now we can resize it however we want, how huge we want it to be, and I'm going to make it this way. I'm going to click save changes, and we're going to exit to fully see what it looks like. And here it is. As you can see, this is now our feed. We can go to the preview, and everything that we change is now embedded in here, from the color theme, from the layout, which is in carousel, from the autoplay, and so on. And that is all, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe, and ring the notification down below so you are updated into our new video tutorials. And leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions, recommendations, or just leave your feedback. You can put it there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.